Got all that fire behind me, boy. I'm starting off the day here at Chick-fil-A to get some protein in your boy's body. I don't know what it is, but maybe it's because I've been working on the shop so much. I've been getting hungry like every hour and a half, 2 hours. I don't know why. I really don't. But at the same time, I try not to eat like super big meals just because like I don't want to be like extra like tired. You know what I mean? Like I want to be able to work. Man, that looks messy. That's actually a Tom Ford shirt, but it's supposed to be in there. But yeah, the agenda for today, I have a lot to do. So I decided I'd pick up the camera and make a little vlog for you guys. What's on the plan today? Gotta go to Best Buy. Gotta buy some electronics. I'm gonna show you guys the speaker that I got for the shop. My mama gave me a gift. She surprised me with it actually yesterday. Such a fire portable speaker. What else I gotta do? I gotta go to Cosmoprov to buy some barber stuff. And then actually I'm gonna hang all these clothes on the racks. I might have to buy more hangers. I honestly don't know how many pieces I have, but I only have about like 100 hangers, so I might have to order some more from Amazon. But my glasses look extra crooked right now. But yeah, what else I gotta do? Oh, I got 3 haircuts today. I'm gonna be announcing the grand opening of the store very soon. So make sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to know when the grand opening is gonna be. But yeah, let's get this food and then it's time to go to work. Let's go!
It's a great day at Chick-fil-A. My name is Maddie. How may I serve you?
Hi, can I get the chicken burrito?
Chicken burrito?
Yeah.
Just the burrito or on the meal?
Just the burrito by itself.
Anything else?
That's it.
Alrighty. We'll be having that total ready for you at the window.
Cool. Thank you.
My pleasure.
I just got to the shop right now, but I'm gonna get down on this burrito. You know you gotta have that Chick-fil-A sauce, boy. About to get down on this burrito, and then I'm gonna go inside and start getting to work. If y'all don't know, y'all sleeping on the breakfast burritos at Chick-fil-A. Let me just, oh my god. You know what? Let me just rip this so y'all can see the inside. Oh my god. It's basically like their chicken, the fried chicken, with eggs and hash browns. Can't go wrong with it. About to take one bite and then turn y'all off. And then I'm gonna finish this in peace and go inside. Peace. Yo. Luckily that wasn't my camera because I'm holding it right now. But I want to show you guys a little something. Dang, yo, it's coming together. This is not everything I have, but it's just kind of spaced out, just to kind of get an idea of what it's actually gonna look like, kinda, like when it's fully, like, full. And then the shoes, those are actually, like, some shoes I'm gonna be selling, and then some shoes that I just have, like, up here, just because, like, I just want to get an idea. It's obviously not going to be staggered like that. I just wanted to fill as much like space as possible just to kind of get an idea. You already know we're going to have sandals in here though, because we the coziest, baby. But yeah, I just want to show you guys this right now. I'm about to head to Best Buy. Look at all that fire, baby. And then the DIY desk. Oh shoot, hold on. Let me, you know what? Let me get my camera. And let me show you guys exactly what I did to this. I actually posted it on IG, so if you guys want to see it. Remember to follow the new shop Instagram right there. But yeah, here it is right here. So it looked like this at first. This was just like an old desk not desk, it's actually a salon like counter, but I found it in the Boo Boo's garage. Just super beat. Look at that. Nasty. Look at that. It was like a purple, like teal. Not teal, what am I talking about? It was like a purple, like lavender color. And basically I sanded it down, painted it black, and then I added a wood countertop. So basically this is gonna be where the register is gonna be, and this is gonna be where y'all are gonna sell me the fire. And trade and buy. You know what I'm saying? So on the way to this Best Buy, man, excuse my hair. I'm probably not gonna get a haircut till the grand opening, to be honest with you. At least it shows that your boy's working. But yeah, I was on the way to Best Buy, and there's actually a Goodwill right here, so we're just gonna pop in real quick. Alright, so I found this Patagonia size medium long sleeve for $2. I'm gonna pick this up. And then this one right here, I found double. I don't know if they're both yeah, they're both the same. Both size large. Shaquille O'Neal. Kobe in the back. Andy got the mini afro and wearing number 8. For sure scooping both. And all 3. Yow. What's good, guys? I just got to the mall. I'm actually gonna be, my lips dry. I'm actually about to be returning this. This is the register, the square register that uses the big iPad, but I already have actually the small iPad at home, so I'm actually just gonna be using that and just buying the square reader instead of buying, because the square reader, like with the dock, is only like I think $80. So this one right here is actually $200, but it just comes with the stand. Not worth it. So I'm just gonna use a small iPad, and I'm gonna have to put together some kind of register on my own. Ow, that kind of hurt. Let's get to Best Buy. Dude, I've always wanted to just like ask these department stores if I could just buy these Nike logos. Imagine they just let me have that, or let me actually buy it out there. My homie actually has one. Look at that. Hey, what's up, man? Yo, what's good, guys? I just got done with the cut. Gotta turn off this music real quick. Don't want to get copyright. But the homie came through just to visit because he's right by the gym, but we're about to go eat. But I'm gonna set this stuff up real quick, like a card reader and stuff. So let's go! Tongue. Nasty. Let me see, dog.
What do you want, dude?
Let me see. Let me see the new wallpaper. Okay. Let's go.
Can I get a water?
Same thing, just water. Alright, so we're at this Mexican spot. I need a haircut soon, bro. It's called Osuna's Mexican Restaurant. About to grub real quick before my next 2 appointments. But yeah, the spot is literally right next to the shop. So, like 4 doors down, but about to grub. Starving. Damn, dude, the salsa just got here and you already asked for an extra one, dude?
You need 2, bro.
Okay, chips and salsa, free appetizers? What are you gonna get, dog?
Everything on the menu.
I don't think you could finish that, dude. That's a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Alright, guys, so I just wanted to show you that on the GOAT app, I did manage to sell the New York to LA Nike Blazers. Right there. So it's sent to GOAT to get verified. And it's right there. I made $144 if this fully goes through. Let's go! Yo, good morning, guys. Once again, the hair looking crazy. Oh, hold on. Yeah. I'm here at UPS because I actually gotta ship off the GOAT sneakers. Let's go! Alright, yeah, so I found these little like wood panels that just go on the wall. These might be it, just to hold the clippers, and then I'm gonna have to find like drawers for a cabinet. So we'll try this out. Yo, I'm literally on my way to another Target. I hit 2 already, and apparently they only had, so the first store had 2 of the wooden shelves, and then the next store had 1. But luckily there's a Goodwill by that next Target that I have to go to. So I'm actually gonna stop at the Target. There's a Goodwill next to this Target, and then there's gonna be a Goodwill next to the other Target. So I guess it kind of works out, and it makes me want to actually drive there. But yeah, I'm gonna head there right now. I'm gonna pop into a Goodwill right now real quick, and then I'm gonna head to the other Target. I just had to pump gas real quick because your boy was running low. But yeah, let's go find that fire. So I found two tees right here. Nike Challenge Court fire. This is Nike tennis in the back. This one right here is crazy. If you know, you know. Deuce Bigelow Male Gigolo. Scooping both of these. Ooh, Aaron, pay attention to driving, boy. I just got to what am I talking about? I just left that Goodwill right now, and I bought the Deuce Bigelow Male Gigolo tee. That's actually a pretty dope shirt. And then I found that Nike Challenge Court tee, and now I'm on the way to what's gonna be first, Target or Goodwill? Target's gonna be first because it's on the way to the Goodwill. So I found this right here. I'm in the next Goodwill. Just a bootleg Calvin Klein. It is single stitch though. And then this vintage UCLA crew neck. Nothing crazy. I don't even know if I'm gonna copy either of these. Just finished up the last haircut of the day, but just want to give you guys a little sneak peek of what we got going on. You're about to turn that into a little something, and it's gonna be placed right there so people can get buckets. Time to head to the Boo Boo's house because we're gonna hit IKEA real quick and go find some things. So peace. Yo, what's good, guys? Just got back to the Boo Boo spot. I'm working on something right now from IKEA. I just put it together. I'm gonna give you guys a quick look just so you guys get a little tease. Ready? That's it. That's all y'all get. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was just a random vlog, another update for you guys, a little bit of thrifting, some cops. And yes, what did I cop today? I copped the Deuce Bigelow Male Gigolo and the, oh yeah, the Lakers tees, the Patagonia, and the, there was one more piece. Oh, the Nike Challenge Court tee. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was a random vlog, a bunch of thrifting, not a bunch, but a little bit, and some hits of the store. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and you already know slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Amen to fashion. What is good? Bye.